Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and you are watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. The festive season has begun and it is the time to say bye-bye to frizzy, rough and dull hair. In this video, I'm sharing a super easy, only 3 ingredient deep conditioning hair mask that you can prepare with the things that are already present in your kitchen. This mask will make your hair soft, manageable and bouncy. So let's quickly see how to make it. Alright, so the first thing that we need for this DIY deep conditioning hair mask is 2 to 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. The quantity of the gel will depend on how much mask do you wish to make. For my kind of long hair, I usually take around 4 to 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also use almond oil. Since this is for deep conditioning, olive oil and almond oil work very well. Now you have to keep stirring it continuously for 3 to 4 minutes till it transforms into a buttery fluffy cream. After continuous stirring, this is what it looks like. The consistency has changed tremendously and see how they have blended together so well. Next, I'm going to add the last ingredient, which is my favorite as well, coconut milk cream. This is a natural hair conditioner and it works very nice for frizzy hair. I have really frizzy hair and I prefer using coconut milk cream, but the only thing that you have to make sure is that the coconut milk cream should be thick and creamy and not runny and watery, because it will also make your hair mask very runny and it will keep dripping. So make sure that the coconut cream that you are using is thick. And for all those who are not able to find a thick coconut cream anywhere in their nearby grocery store, I am going to link the product down in the description box so that you can buy it online. And guys, after all that stirring, it really looks like a hair spa cream that we buy from stores. Look at this beautiful buttery consistency. There are just no lumps and no ingredients could be told one from another. So this looks so seamless. For application, you have to apply it on your damp hair and just focus on the hair lengths. No need to apply on the scalp. You can use it before shampoo as a pre-conditioning cream and just leave it for 30 minutes and shampoo it later. And if you're using it after your shampoo, then just use it as a conditioner that you always do after shampoo. Leave it for 30 minutes and just rinse it with plain water. So these are the 2 ways that you can use this conditioning cream and it will work very well in both the ways. So do try it out. It's a very simple DIY deep conditioning hair mask, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye and take care.